Hello, this is Qing. This is my final individual progress. So the user story in Sprint 1 is as a player, I want to press space button to have an attack behavior so that I know I'm trying to hurt my enemies. As a player, I want to stop attacking when I release the space button so that I know I'm attack has stopped. So this is the use case diagram. The player can play the game. After play the game, the player can attack enemy. And this is the simple class diagram. Player has attacking functions. And my user story in Sprint 2 is as a player, I want to see my active glove rune displayed when I play the game so that I may know what rune option I have chosen for my glove. As a player, I want to see my active sword rune displayed while I play the game so that I may know what rune option I have chosen for my sword. As a player, I want to use key 0 on the keyboard to remove rune so that I can use normal attack. So here is the use case diagram. The player can have glove attack and sword attack, and the player can set rune. Then there have four different type rune. The glove can set these 4 type rune, and the sword also can set these 4 type rune. And after set the rune, the rune icon gonna be displayed on the left corner of the screen. And here is the class diagram. So I have interface class for iRune. Then this fire rune, water rune, grass rune, own rune implement the interface, and here has a glove and a sword. So in the player can set glove and player can set sword. After selected weapon, then player can set different the rune. So user story on Sprint 2 is as a player, I want to see animation for all rune type of glove so that I may know I'm trying to hurt my enemies by glove rune magic. So here is the use case diagram. The player can attack enemy, and player can have sword attack and glove attack, and player can use magic attack. In last sprint, the player can set the magic. Then after set the rune, then it's gonna be use magic attack. So there have 4 different type magic: the fire rune magic, water rune magic, grass magic, and own magic. For this sprint, I only did for glove magic attack. So you can see I use a strategy design pattern on the rune, on different rune. So here is the interface for the iRune, and for different class implement the iRune, and on player I can use iRune to implement 4 different subclass. And after a player selected the iRune, then player can use a different magic attack for the glove. And my user story on Sprint 4 is as a player, I want to have all rune magic attacking for sword animation, so that I know I'm trying to hurt my enemies by sword rune magic. So you can see there have one more. There has one more components. I add a sword magic. So after player selected a sword and set the rune the set rune, then sword can fire different rune magic, and fire attack, water attack, and grass attack, and own attack. And on Sprint 5, my user story is as a player, I want to hear a sound when I'm dying so that the realization of death is not just a visual pleasure but an auditory one as well. So here is the class diagram. You can see on here I added a dying sound. So in the player class there have instance of dying sound, and after when player dying, then it will be called dying sound. And that's it. Thank you.